everyone. My name is Nina. Welcome to my channel. I am very happy to see you here today. Thank you so much for watching this video. On this channel, you can learn English. We focus on everyday English. These lessons will help you improve. Don't worry about mistakes. Learning English takes time. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. Your support helps us create more. Thank you for watching. Let's start learning English together.
Hi, I'd like these books.
Your library card, please.
I don't have one.
Want to apply now?
Yes, please. What's needed?
Just fill this short form.
Okay, I'll fill it.
Do you have photo ID?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Card in 1 minute.
Thank you so much.
Here's your new library card.
Can I use it?
Yes, you can immediately.
I want a few more books.
What kind of books?
I'm looking for novels.
Novels are in literature section.
Where is that exactly?
Go straight, then turn left.
Got it.
Found everything you need?
Yes, I got 2.
Perfect. I'll scan them.
Thank you.
Return in 3 weeks.
3 weeks from today?
Yes, date is on slip.
Can I renew later?
Yes, online or phone.
Perfect. Very easy.
Enjoy your reading.
Thanks, I will. Hi, I have a problem.
Sure, what is it?
I lost my room key.
When saw it last?
This morning. Now gone.
Checked pockets and bag?
Yes, checked everywhere.
Maybe left in room?
No, door won't open.
Don't worry, new key soon.
Thanks. What do you need?
Just your room number.
Room 712.
Great. May I see ID?
Sure, here it is.
Thanks, Mr. David. New key coming.
Will old key work?
No, it stops working.
I feel safer.
Need room check, maybe?
Yes, that helps.
Security will check soon.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. New key here.
Great.
Anything else needed?
No, that's all.
Enjoy your stay here.
Thanks, I will. Hello, City Dental speaking.
Hi, I need an appointment.
What seems the problem?
I have a bad toothache.
How long has it hurt?
About 3 days now.
Constant pain or sometimes?
It comes and goes.
One tooth or whole side?
Just one left tooth.
Taken anything for pain?
Yes, some ibuprofen.
Any swelling or fever?
Cheek swollen, no fever.
We should check soon.
I'd like to come today.
Let me check schedule.
I can wait.
We have 2:30 today.
Perfect, I can come.
Your full name, please.
Anna Brown.
Been here before?
No, first time.
Need some basic details?
No problem.
Phone number and email?
555-3412, anna.brown.com.
Any allergies at all?
No, none.
Taking any medications now?
Just vitamins only.
Dentist will check first.
Okay, will it hurt?
We can numb it.
I feel nervous.
Don't worry.
Okay, I'll bring insurance.
Great. See you 2:30.
See you soon.
Hi, Anna. Here's your lease.
It looks long.
Yes, but don't worry.
What should I check first?
Rent and lease period.
Rent is $2,000 monthly?
Yes, pay every first.
What about utilities?
You pay gas and electricity.
Water and trash included.
Yes, both are included.
That's very convenient.
We keep things simple.
Can I check the place?
Let's start here.
The couch looks new.
Replaced 2 months ago.
Does the TV work well?
Yes, it's a smart TV.
What about lights?
All lights work fine.
Okay, let's see. Kitchen.
Everything is clean here.
Is the stove gas?
Yes, gas heats faster.
Does the oven work?
Works perfectly.
And the fridge works?
Check inside.
Sink works fine too.
New faucet installed.
Next, let's see. Bathroom.
It's right here.
Hot water works, right?
Yes, heats in seconds.
Toilet flushes normally?
Everything works great.
I like it.
Let's finish paperwork.
Okay, I'll read, then sign.
Take your time.
I'm signing now.
Need rent and deposit now.
I brought 2 checks.
Here are your keys.
Thanks. Place looks great.
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. I'm excited. Good morning, doctor.
Morning. What's wrong today?
Sore throat and cough.
How long now?
About 3 days?
Did it start slowly?
Yes. Now worse.
Do you have fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check temperature.
Okay.
It's 100 degrees F, mild fever.
Is it serious?
No, just the cold.
Should I rest home?
Yes, rest and hydrate.
Can I work today?
Better take 2 days.
Okay, I'll report.
Any medicine allergies?
No allergies.
I'll give cough syrup.
When do I take it?
Tablets 3 times daily.
And the syrup?
2 teaspoons every 6 hours.
Take them together?
Yes, but eat first.
With juice, okay?
Better water only.
All right, water only.
Any chest pain?
No, only coughing.
Avoid cold drinks.
Okay, no cold drinks.
You'll improve in days.
Come back if not?
Yes, return in 5 days.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Rest well.
I will.
Feel better soon.
Welcome to Sweet Spot.
I'd like a cake.
What cake type?
I want a chocolate cake.
What size you need?
Medium size for 8.
When pickup?
This Saturday at 3.
Any message written?
Yes, write Happy Birthday, Mom.
Pink or white icing?
Pink, please.
Any decorations needed?
Strawberries are perfect.
Want filling inside?
Yes, chocolate cream.
It tastes rich and smooth.
How much total?
Medium cake is $45.
Okay, that's fine.
Pay deposit now?
Yes, I'll pay now.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Tap your card here.
Done.
Name for the order?
It's under Kim.
Number for confirmation?
Sure. 555-2149.
See you Saturday.
See you then.
Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. Your support helps us create more. Thank you for watching. Let's start learning English together.